Okay, it is Tuesday, January 25th, 2022. This will be part 9 of the video documentation Under the Wing 74 in progress. Rita Levi, Jewish child from Corfu, Greece, murdered by the Nazis at the Auschwitz death camp in Nazi-occupied Poland, 1944. All right, I added some more color on the larger budgie on the lower left here. So some color in this these feathers as well. And I got some of the teeth and eyes done in some of the others here. Most of it done here. I haven't done going with ink on the outline, like a line, linear. And this one is pretty much done now. I might add, maybe I should add 2 or 3 or 4 large, sort of fearsome teeth. And teeth are in progress, and the big jaw here. This is almost done. And all right, there you have it, to be continued. How are we doing, budgies? Everybody okay? We're doing all right. You want to say hi to the anyone who views the video footage on YouTube and on Facebook? Go for it. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Anything else you want to say? Seize the moment. Seize the day. All right. There you have it. Thank you. I appreciate that.